Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, he's very squirmish. Slimy.
He's pissed.
I'm gonna grab him again. Damn, I can't get it. He's too slimy. He's like the bottom of the.
Like a catfish.
Look at what's inside his mouth. It's like a finger.
That's his tongue.
He's got a tongue.
I think so. Alright, here, come back here.
This guy's getting this one.
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, just...
Yes!
Yes, he got him!
Awesome.
Dude. Oh, he dropped. Oh, we got him.
Quick. Enjoy the slimy sludge.
Oh, I think he let him go.
Oh, he's like, I don't like the taste of that one. Bottom feeder.
That was awesome.